I chose Kuraray as a company I wanted to intern at summer because it stood out to me because of its innovation and advanced technological advancement in the chemical manufacturing industry. And I knew that this internship would provide me with hands-on experiences with different processes and technologies that I would be working at well. I would describe the company's culture as a very dynamic environment where team members are encouraged to provide their ideas and also celebrate it sometimes. Working on a day-to-day basis as an electrical engineer, it has provided me with an opportunity to see the activities and the processes that are going on. It has been really a great experience learning from the past Kuraray members about how they started their journeys and how they rose to the position that they're currently at. So it has provided me with a much more clear path to my future. The advice that I would like to give somebody who wants to intern at Kuraray, I would absolutely recommend it because Kuraray provides you a place to develop and a chance to learn a lot more about your major outside your college, and a lot more practical hands-on experience.